From analytic, you click on that video, that means you're probably a game or you like energy drink. If you would like to know about the Neon Punch, the new sneak product, we're going to talk about it. What's up gamers, my name is Enzo and yes, I'm a Call of Duty sniper player. I pretty much stream every single day on Twitch, link in the below, and that's where I'm going to do like a sneak giveaway as well. So if you're interested into sneak, might as well just go there. I'm probably going to be live, so drop in and I will explain to you how to join the giveaway. If you've been living under a rock, if you forgot about the brand called Sneak or never heard of him, Sneak is a healthy alternative drink.
Why is it so hard to say words?
Which contain like vitamin B6, B12 and vitamin 6 and a whole bunch of it. If you want to know more about the ingredients, I will link in a video in the info card. So this Neon Punch new flavor has been super hyped and I'm actually pretty intrigued about trying it. This is going to be completely my first time trying it. I have opened it to film the b-rolls and stuff like that, but I haven't actually tried. So today is going to be my first time actually trying it and you're going to know if it tastes good, if you should buy it, if you're not going to buy it. Pretty excited for this type of video. I'm not sponsored by Sneak. They haven't sent me this. I completely ordered that by myself with my own money, made by my own job. That makes sense?
I'm new to this, okay?
But if you made it that far this video, drop a like, subscribe if you want to know more about Sneak energy drinks and other energy drinks, and also if you like Call of Duty and specifically like to snipe, I'm your guy. Probably the most satisfying thing about Sneak is the branding, bro. The branding is awesome. The texture of the tubs is like kind of like rubbery and kind of like you can feel the different sort of paints and stuff like that. It's really nice. It's just the texture is amazing. If you get one or if you already have one, you know what I'm talking about. Actually, you can smell like a bit of like apple-ish. I don't know. You can smell a little bit, but you're not really like, you can't really smell any. Or maybe it's my nose. Anyone tried it? Let me know in the comment section. It'd be very interesting to see what color of the sneak is going to be inside, because it's got like the pink and the green, the dark green. So I guess it's gonna be like dark green. If it's not going to be dark green, it's gonna be pink. You have to be, otherwise I got robbed. If this is the first time you try Sneak, use the link below. It's a referral link. Every time you buy a shaker, you get like £10 worth of tester pack for completely for free, and whatever you buy, which allow me to get coupons which I give away on my Twitch stream. Let me know in the comment section if it's going to be green or pink. Oh yeah, it's actually green. It's actually green. There we go. So it's actually green inside. I can't really pour more. Test for the first time. Let's see how we go. It's definitely something different than I expected. Completely different. This is like not sweet what I expected. Like when I meant Neon Punch, in my head I can hear like fruit punch. I don't know why. I don't even know what's fruit punch. What's fruit punch? I don't actually, in my head I can't really picture fruit punch, but I feel like I already know what's fruit punch. But I kind of felt like it's something punchy, like a really punchy, strong, sweet flavor. But again, this is what Sneak kind of do. They're kind of really, really mysterious on what they name the flavor and stuff like that. Because like the way they market it like a really punchy flavor, which is punchy, but it's not as punchy than like what I thought in my head. But it tastes like pear. It's not soury, but it tastes like pear. So I would actually call it is a pear flavor. I don't think this is going to be like the number one. It's definitely not my favorite flavor. It's definitely something I would just replace time to time, like once a week, change the flavors I drink. But it's definitely like in my top 5. It's definitely one of my favorite one. I think it's better than the Blackberry for sure. I think the Blackberry is the one I got most disappointed with. If I would have rated it between 0 to 10, I'd probably give it an 8, a strong 8. I think it's really good. So for the people who doesn't like really sweet energy drink, or if you found Sneak too sweet, this is the perfect product for you. I genuinely think you would love that one because it's not sweet at all and it's not sour. It doesn't feel powdery at all. It actually feels very nice. It's a pretty damn good flavor. I do have to agree on that one. Sneak, you done a good job on that one. I rate it. The branding was good. The hype was good. However, Sneak, please do something about the scoop. I hate putting my fingers in the tub to find the scoop. Can you just put like, can you put the scoop like something to attach the scoop at the top, the lid, please? It would just be so much better. So like you can just grab it off and then scoop it out and then put it back on it and just close the lid. But overall, I recommend this product as definitely a good product. If you have any question about the taste, anything Sneak related, or about me, not like anyone really care about me anyway, but if you have any question, come to my Twitch. I'm probably live talking about this product anyway, or just join the Discord and like talk to me from there, or DM me on my social media. I try to reply to everyone anyway. This is pretty good. I don't have a content creator code. I'm not partnered by Sneak at all. This is definitely just a product I enjoy and I would drink it on a regular basis. This is the first time you order Sneak. I don't think this is the Sneak flavor you would like at the first time. One of the favorite flavor I would recommend is the Blizzard one, is definitely one of my number one, the blue raspberry one, or the cherry bomb. That's the top 3 flavors I recommend for the first time. I think that's where it would give you a really good idea what a sneak product is like. For a good shaker, shakers are all preferences, but the orange one and the blue one, them two right there, is definitely one of my favorite one, and probably like the purple one, which is kind of dark at the bottom of the corner right there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a quick video. Like I said, I just got this sneak product completely today, so I thought I'd smash a video today, give you my review on it. I would really appreciate if you drop a like and subscribe. It will really mean the world to me, and it really help me grow and make this as a full-time job, because at the moment it's not even part-time, it's just a hobby I'm doing at the moment. So it'd be really good if you would help me. Just drop a like, a comment, and let me know what's your favorite sneak product and if you tried it. Thank you, stay awesome, peace out.
Je l'avance en visant le profil.
Regardez comment je suis mort. Oh putain.
Pourquoi